The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have a video that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is about a protest that happened within the place that is known as Elgin town, that is within the parish of Hanover, that is within the country of Jamaica. And it is said that residents within Elgin town had blocked the road because of a man who had been shot and injured by the police within the country of Jamaica. Now, it is said that the man had been shot and injured on Friday the 19th of June 2020, and it is said that residents protested or blocked the road on the 23rd of June 2020. Now, I saw a report out there about this shooting incident that happened within the place that is known as Elgin town. And, I'm going to explain to you according to how I understand as to what had been said in the report that I saw, alright? Now, according to how I understand this report that I saw, it is said that the police said that they got information that men were at a wake within the community, and it is said that they got this information sometime around 11 p.m. Now, it is said that for persons to be out at some form of get-together during that time, it is said to be a breach of the curfew hours that had been set within the country of Jamaica because of the COVID-19 pandemic. It is said that members of the police force went to investigate, and it is said that the man who had been shot and injured by the police, it is said that that person had been held with a illegal firearm. Now, viewers and subscribers, it is said that the man had been shot and injured when the police was trying to apprehend this person who had the firearm. Now, I'm going to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. And please bear in mind that this video said to have been recorded live. So therefore, there might be times when the video is going to get a little fuzzy, alright? Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? Yeah, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. Now, here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Alright, so we are at Elgin town, right? And I want you to look and see what is happening. So yesterday, a guy from the community was actually shot and killed by the police, right? In the community. What we really have is that it happened somewhere along the line in the community of Elgin town. So what happened is the residents came out this morning and they are quite irate, right? So they blocked the North Coast Highway, right? And the residents are alleging that he was killed in cold blood, right? So the road was blocked and the residents are out in numbers because they're saying that he actually was murdered, right? So what is really happening here is that you have the mayor of Hanover, Mr. Sheridan Samuels, you have a team from the police force, and you have residents basically here who are venting, right? And you can hear this lady.
So me need to hear nothing. Me need to know where me stand. Me need to know nothing. All me know say, they say, oh, when I get to kill him, so I could poison him.
But only she alone did say she coming.
You understand? So that hurt me know why me have to come out the road this morning, because me have to go with
this is the mother. This is the mother. This is the mother. This is the mother for the.
I mean yet fear nothing. Police they not give me nothing. Nobody not give me nothing. We go yesterday they say you can't talk to the doctor.
Oh, correction. The person is not deceased. The person has been shot and wounded.
Surgery, orthopedic ward. Who am I going to talk to? Because the police not talk to me, and when we go to hospital, police are going to tap me and talk to the doctor. Who am I going to talk to? And no justice to be served, nobody say nothing to me. Then just bring him, go throw him down in the hospital like a dog. I see a bad man come from Elgin Town. Good citizen there, Elgin Town. Good citizen there, Elgin Town. Even if we live in our community, we are good citizens. You understand? Some of the things that they should have him in the simply go use the bathroom. Then allow nobody from the ward to assist him. He just lie down in there.
Has he been arrested and charged?
No, they have him under handcuff, him not charge.
So, have you retained the services of a lawyer?
Yes.
And what the lawyer is saying?
The lawyer saying talk to the police them down at Lucy station, and they say they must get back to them Wednesday.
So, as the police inform them what statute is being held under, if I'm held under the what you call it, the
COVID-19 risk management.
Well, whether under the COVID-19 or the state of emergency.
Yeah.
No.
They don't tell you what.
They don't tell you what yet.
Is there any allegation that he has fired? Has he attacked any police, anything?
No, or what the lawyer tell me is that when he talk to the police down at Lucy station, say them are going to charge him. But for what, we don't know yet.
So is he from Elgin Town?
No.
Not from here?
No.
Okay.
He's a Cayman, yeah.
Oh, it's on Cayman.
He's from Cayman?
Yes, he married over there.
I understand. Yeah.
Man Cayman, yeah. Me?
Mm-hmm.
My mother, Benieve Jewelry.
Spell it for me.
Benieve Jowrey. Family.
Okay. Oh. Well, as I was saying before, a young man, a Caymanian national, he was shot and killed, shot and injured in Elgin Town. The police is here. The mayor from Lucy is here, Mr. Sheridan Samuels. The deputy mayor, Andrea Dehaney, is here. The residents are very upset that really and truly this incident should not have happened, and they are demanding justice. The mother is saying that the young man was shot and all of that, and basically the youngster is now injured, but he's not charged. All right, I have caught up with the deputy mayor, right? Deputy mayor, council for the area. Could you just give an idea as to what your understanding is of the situation here?
All right, we actually heard of a situation with the police and a gentleman in the community Friday night. So we are just here to converse with the residents of the community and also to have an idea of exactly what happens. And we are hoping that in the end, justice is prevailing all of this.
Okay. This is the North Coast Highway, right? So what is happening is that the residents had burnt and put debris because they wanted the attention of the cops. Catching up with the mayor now. So Mayor, what is your understanding of what is taking place here just now?
Well, I don't have the details. What was of my
You can take off the mask.
What was of my concern was really I heard about a demonstration as a result of somebody that got shot from the community. I don't know the details or anything like that, but I came here just to ensure that if the demonstration remain peaceful and everything, so that basically I'll wait on the details for
before
later.
Coming to.
Right.
Well, as I said before, that the street was blocked earlier, right? You can see that's the cleaner newspaper vehicle right there. The residents, they're upset. Yeah, maybe Elgin Town, Becky. what happens is a guy get shot and the people them a block the road. You understand? These are the kind of stuff that we use. The police are here, they're out in numbers and they're out in force. The mayor and the deputy mayor are using their position to see if they can bring some level of calm. Because if this road gets blocked, then you know it's a very serious problem. Right? But as it is right now, the residents are very upset. And you know, it is hoped that the young man will not succumb to the injury, and that, you know, the residents' anger can be so. But as it is right now, the things are now at a standstill. But if this thing erupts, then we're gonna have very, very serious problems and serious issues. Alright? Ali, you want to say something? Well, residents are very tight-lipped right now. Right, if you watch past, you can see where, you know, some were basically speaking about the situation, but we're hoping that good sense will prevail, right? Yes. We're hoping that good sense will prevail and that all will be good, right? So if there is anything else, and you can see the signs that the residents have. These are some of the signs.
28-year-old.
Just informed that the young man is 28 years old. Alright, so if there's not anything else that is happening, I'll be signing out. Alright, so if there's nothing else, I'm out for a minute.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.